To pack an order, you choose Pack in the worker dialog. When accessing Pack, you choose a packing table to pack your orders at. If you have only one packing table, PeakWMS will choose that one as default. If you have more than one packing table, PeakWMS will show you a list of your packing tables. When a packing table is chosen, PeakWMS will show you a list of orders assigned to the packing table. All orders can be scanned and packed at every packing table. To start packing, you either click on the order that you want to pack or scan the load unit assigned to the order. When choosing an order, PeakWMS will print shipping label and delivery note. PeakWMS will also show needed customer information and order lines. If you enter master data for your products, PeakWMS will also be able to recommend which box you should use when packing. When packing, we recommend that you use the barcodes on your products. By using barcodes, you include a validation step in your packing process. In case a picker has switched to products in the picking process, you will be able to catch the mistake during packing by scanning the barcodes. If you do not have barcodes on your products, you can validate the products manually. PeakWMS register the item when scanning. PeakWMS register one item per scan. If you have 4 of the same product, you must scan each item once. When scanning a wrong barcode, PeakWMS will make a warning that the item does not belong to the order. When scanning the last product, PeakWMS will automatically send you to the next step in packing, validating the shipping label for the parcel. You can validate the label by checking that the tracking numbers on the screen and on the label match, or by scanning the barcode on the label. If you have the wrong label, PeakWMS will make a warning that the information on the scanned label does not match the label generated for the parcel. When the shipping label is validated, you can pack the next order.